Hello guys, the Green King here, and I had to do this thing because my speaker's broken, which fucking sucks. I'm using my phone for recording, which sucks even more. So, all I wanted to say was thank you for 80 subs. That's insane. Like, I can't believe I made 80 subs. It's like, wow. I want to thank all of you for subscribing because I didn't think that was actually going to happen. I was just having fun with my YouTube channel and like trying to spread awareness for RSD at the beginning. And I still need to. Like, RSD is a real fucking, it fucking sucks. It's a bad disease for neurons or nerves in the body. So I still want to give out that shit. Words hard, English worse. Anyway, thank you for 80 subs. I really appreciate it. And thank you, Hallowell, for keep pushing me to do my best. And you're awesome, dude. And also, thank you guys for understanding that I love video games and I love hot things and I love challenges. So, I don't have much candy left, so I'm just gonna have a little bite. I need a job. I need a job. I'm still looking. I've been looking for like 2 months now, straight non-stop, besides gaming. But I haven't found one yet. But when I do, on my course of having money and stuff, I'm going to do the Death Nut Challenge. I'm gonna buy more peppers. That's a fact. Fuck, I can't remember the other ones. But there's lots of plans I have. I have lots of agony-induced pain strategy plans ahead. But I want to thank you guys for subscribing to this idiotic channel that I have. And, thank you. Last night's stream was probably the funnest stream I've ever had. For 80. It was my 75, like, oh yeah, 75, I got it. And then all of a sudden I hit 80. So I was like, oh, well fuck, that's awesome. But I'm just doing this stuff to have fun. I'm not making money off of this at all. I want to be a great adult in my life to actually like be successful, work hard. You know, this is really just fun for me. Like having an audience that's like, "Oh my god, he's in fucking pain." Yeah. It's really fun. Like I love doing it. Now, who wants to see me die? Oh, and also in the fucking comments, give me a challenge when I stream. Or give me a challenge soon. 'Cause I love challenges. Give me a challenge, please. I want to accept it. Now, no more hasting on this shit. Bottoms up. Thanks for 80 subs. It already hurts. It already hurts. Thank you for 80 subs, guys. And hopefully we hiccup. I should have put this in my mom's chocolate ice cream. That'd be funny. Remember, I ate the whole bar last time. Shit. Oh yeah. How well? I will do my shoe video when I can. Hiccups. Barfing hiccups. There we go. really bad hiccup. Motherfucker, can't even talk. Ah, that one hurt. Ah, fuck, man. Do remind, this is 9 million Scoville units. Ghost peppers are only 1.8 or 1.5 million Scoville units. So, this is worse. For 80 subs. If I get 100, it's in my mouth. When I get 100, I'll eat this, and I'll have the ghost peppers. My ear hurts. My ear, man. Milk. No milk. No milk. Ow! Ooh. So give me ideas for my other videos. I have other plans, but I need money for those. I think I'm bleeding. Fuck. Anyway, you're watching me die. Thank you for 80 subs. Thank you for supporting this channel. And I'm hallucinating. Yay. Thank God I ate today. Hope you guys like my haircut, because, like, I had really bad hair before. Shit. Anyway, please like, subscribe. Yeah. Oops. Peace.